Ready to build your foundational knowledge of Italian vocabulary? Look no further than the Italian edition of Briston's Beginner's Language Vocabulary Flashcard Deck, featuring 300 words. Expertly designed by educators, linguists, and native speakers for beginners ready to learn the most commonly used words in the language as they build a solid foundation for future language development. Reviewing or gamifying these durable cards will introduce you or your learners to the essential knowledge that will allow them to build their mastery of the language over time. Each vocabulary card includes a related image, English and Italian versions of the word with pronunciation, and an example of the word within a sentence in both English and Italian. Get this extensive 300-word card deck and start your Italian language journey today. Briston, inspiring learning through engaging and effective tools.